The best investment options for 2025 depend on various factors, such as your financial goals, risk tolerance, time horizon, and the macroeconomic environment. That said, here are several investment options that could be worth considering for the coming year, based on current trends and expected conditions. 1. Stocks. Technology stocks. With advancements in AI, cloud computing, and renewable energy, tech stocks remain a popular choice for long-term growth. Healthcare and biotech. As the healthcare sector continues to evolve, companies in pharmaceuticals, biotech, and health tech could see strong growth, particularly in the areas of personalized medicine, gene editing, and aging population-related treatments. Green and renewable energy. With global momentum towards sustainability and reducing carbon emissions, investments in companies involved in solar, wind, and other renewable energy sources are likely to benefit. Emerging markets. As the world economy recovers post-pandemic, certain emerging markets, especially in Asia and Africa, might offer substantial growth potential, though they come with more risk. 2. Bonds. Government bonds. If interest rates stabilize or decline, long-term government bonds could be a safe haven and offer more stability than equities. Corporate bonds. Higher-yielding corporate bonds from companies with solid credit ratings can offer better returns than government bonds, though they carry more risk. 3. Real estate. Residential real estate. As remote work becomes more entrenched, there may be increased demand for homes in suburban or rural areas. REITs, real estate investment trusts, could be an excellent way to invest without directly buying property. Commercial real estate. Office spaces may be in flux due to hybrid working models, but logistics and warehouse spaces for e-commerce remain strong sectors. Sustainable and green real estate. Properties that meet sustainability criteria, such as energy-efficient buildings or eco-friendly construction, are increasingly attractive to both investors and tenants. 4. Cryptocurrency and blockchain. Cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin and Ethereum, remain a popular option for investors with a higher risk tolerance. These assets could experience significant price fluctuations, but some believe they will continue to gain institutional adoption in 2025. Blockchain technology. Beyond cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology is revolutionizing industries like finance, supply chain, and data security, and investments in blockchain companies or platforms might be lucrative. 5. Commodities. Precious metals. Gold often serves as a hedge against inflation and geopolitical instability. If inflation remains a concern in 2025, precious metals could see increased demand, oil and gas. Energy prices have been volatile, but as global demand for oil and natural gas rebounds, there might be opportunities, particularly in energy-producing nations or companies investing in alternative energy. Agriculture. With climate change affecting crop yields, agriculture commodities like grains, soybeans, and other staples could be an attractive investment for 2025. 6. Private equity and venture capital. Startups and innovative technologies. Investing in early-stage companies, particularly those in AI, robotics, cybersecurity, and biotech, can offer high returns, though this is a high-risk area. Private equity funds. For those looking for diversified exposure, private equity funds allow investments in private companies or startups that aren't publicly traded. 7. High-yield savings accounts and CD. For more conservative investors, high-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit, CDs, offer a safe and low-risk way to earn interest, especially if interest rates remain relatively high in 2025. 8. Index funds and ETFs. Low-cost, broad-market ETFs. If you're looking for long-term growth with less effort, index funds and ETFs that track broad-market indices like the S&P 500 or MSCI World Index provide diversified exposure to large-cap stocks. Thematic ETFs. ETFs focused on specific sectors like AI, green energy, or healthcare innovation may be appealing for investors who want to target growing industries. These are the key considerations for 2025 investments. Interest rates. With central banks' stance on inflation, higher interest rates may continue to affect bond and equity markets. Inflation and geopolitical risks. These macroeconomic factors will continue to influence investment outcomes. Diversification. Balancing a portfolio with a mix of asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, etc., is essential for managing risk. Ultimately, the best investments for 2025 will depend on your financial situation, goals, and risk tolerance. It's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor to tailor a plan for your specific needs.